Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech A11Y Usha and myself Usha. In this podcast, I'll show you two ways to take screenshot in iPhone 10. First of all, let me tell you that there is no physical home button or home key in this device. And if I talk about the location of keys present in this device iPhone 10, on the left hand side you'll find three buttons. Starting from top, first one is mute unmute button, below that you'll find volume up button, and below that you'll find volume down button. On the right side you'll find only one button, that is power button. So in order to take screenshot you need to use the key combination of two buttons, that is volume up button and power button. So you have to press volume up and power button together and release immediately. Okay, so you should not keep on holding it. You need to just hold these two buttons, that is volume up and power button, simultaneously and release immediately. Okay, I'll just demonstrate that. Volume up button and power button I'm holding and releasing, I'm holding them together and releasing immediately. Okay.
Screenshot button.
I'll do it again. Volume up plus power button.
Screenshots button.
So this is the first way to take screenshot. Okay.
FaceTime.
Now where can
Double tap to open. Use 3D touch.
Where can you find this screenshot just now I have taken? Okay, so you can find them in photo gallery. So I'll just ask Siri to open photo gallery. Open photo gallery.
Photos, date range, off.
Okay. So I'll just navigate to bottom of the screen.
Bottom of tab bar, search, tab.
Now from here I'll swipe left just to show you, where you can find it.
Albums, for you, select date range, 40, more, select button, vertical scroll bar, screenshot, 12:32 p.m., 12,
Okay.
30, screenshot, 12:32 p.m., 12.
So these are the two screenshots just now I have taken. Okay, so you can find them in photo gallery. In iPhone models which are lower than iPhone 10, where physical home button is available, in order to take screenshot you need to press home key plus power button together and release immediately. But here from iPhone 10 onwards, where physical home button is not available, you need to press volume up button plus power button together and release immediately. Okay. Second way to take screenshot is by assigning double tap or triple tap back tap gesture to this action screenshot. And after assigning the gesture, you need to perform that gesture at the back of iPhone. Okay. So in order to assign the gesture, you need to go to iPhone settings, then accessibility, then touch, and in touch screen you need to scroll down to back tap option. Okay. And after opening back tap option, you need to assign this action screenshot to either double tap gesture or to triple tap gesture. Okay. So let's see. I'll just ask Siri to open settings. Open settings.
Settings.
Now I'll swipe right till I find accessibility option.
Noted. Sound. Screen time. General. Controls. Display. Home screen. Accessibility button.
I'll double tap.
Accessibility features help you customize your iPhone for your individual needs.
Now I'll swipe right in the screen till I find touch option.
Audio physical touch button.
I'll double tap on this touch option.
Assistive touch off button.
So in this touch screen I'll just swipe right till I find back tap option. Okay.
Tap. Vibe. Call audio. Back double or triple. Back tab off button.
Back tap off button. Okay, I'll just swipe right.
Double or triple tap on the back of your iPhone to perform actions quickly.
Okay, so whatever action I'll be setting to either double tap or triple tap, that needs to be, that gesture needs to be performed at the back of iPhone. Okay, so here under back tap you will find only two gesture, that is double tap gesture and triple tap gesture. So you can assign action to any of these two gesture. Okay, so here I'll try to assign screenshot action to double tap gesture. Okay, so I'll just swipe left.
Back tab off button.
I'll invoke this option by double tapping.
Double tap, none, button.
VoiceOver read out double tap none. That means no action is set to this double tap gesture. I'll swipe right.
Triple tap, none, button.
So for triple tap also, no action is set. I'll swipe right.
Triple tap, button.
Okay, so only 2 gestures are available under this back tap. Okay, so I'll try to assign screenshot to double tap gesture. So I'll swipe left.
Double tap, none, button.
I'll invoke this option by double tapping.
None.
So when you invoke this double tap gesture or triple tap gesture, you will find list of actions. So whichever action you want to set for the selected gesture, you can select that action. Okay, so here I want to set screenshot action to double tap gesture. Okay, so I'll just navigate and locate screenshot option. Okay,
Mute, notification, reachable, screenshot.
Okay, screenshot. I'll double tap on screenshot.
Selected, screenshot.
Now screenshot is selected. I'll just go back.
Rows 1 to 15 of back tab, back button, back tab. Double tap, screenshot, button.
Okay, before it read out double tap none, now it is reading double tap screenshot, right?
Double tap, screenshot, button.
Okay, double tap screenshot. So that means screenshot action is now set to double tap gesture. So now I need to perform this gesture at the back of iPhone. I'll just double tap on the back of iPhone.
Screenshot, button.
I'll do it again.
Screenshots, button.
Okay, so this is the second way to take screenshot.
Double tap.
That's all for today, friends. If this podcast was helpful to you, do give a thumbs up, share it, and hit the bell icon to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Usha signing off. See you in next podcast. Take care and have a great day.